hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready?
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing a collab with Valerie Hargett, and she has a great channel, and we'll leave a link to her channel in the description box below. She loves to bake, and she loves simple and convenient foods, and everyone that watches our channel knows that I like fast and easy recipes. Today I'm making Caesar chicken, and it's a great little recipe, and it's simple but very good. So let me get started on my recipe. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put black pepper on my chicken. And hope none of it gets up my nose. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Parmesan cheese on. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chicken and put it over here in my sprayed pan. And I'm going to do the same thing over again. This side right here is the pretty side. Okay. Okay, so now then I'm going to put some more black pepper on. Okay, and some more cheese. Okay, so now then I'm going to put this over here for a minute and move this out of the way. And in my bowl I'm going to put in a half a cup of sour cream, but you can leave this out of this recipe if you want to. It's optional. Okay, and then I'm going to put in my Caesar salad dressing, and this is a whole cup. So now then I'm going to stir this all up really good. I'm going to be serving this today over rice, and I'm also going to be having some green beans with it. Okay, I got that all mixed up now. So I'm going to move this back over here. And I'm going to pour this mixture over my chicken. If you have a bigger family, you can put more chicken breast and double the recipe. Also, you can make this recipe in a crock pot, but I'm baking mine in the oven today. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more Parmesan cheese on this. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes on 375 degrees. And when it's done, I'll be back. Okay, my chicken just came out of the oven and it reached its temperature of 165 degrees. And I also cooked it an extra 5 minutes because some of my chicken was a little bit bigger than the other. And so, here it is. It really smells good. And it looks really good too. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to plate a supper plate, and I'll be back to do the taste test. Hi everyone, we're back, and this chicken really smells great, don't it, Calvin?
It smells great and it looks great too, Marie.
And we're serving it over rice, and we got some good green beans here, and a roe, and some good old southern tea.
We love that southern tea, don't we, Marie?
Yeah, so you want to go first and tell me your opinion?
I can't hardly wait to get to it, Marie. It looks so good. Very good.
Okay, I'll take your word for it. It does have a really great taste on it. I think anybody that makes this recipe will really enjoy it, don't you?
I think they will. I like the Parmesan cheese on top of it. Very delicious.
And
I can't wait to get in there and sit down and eat this whole plate, Marie.
so I don't know nothing else to say but close this video out. This
Sounds good to me, and we can go eat.
Right.
Anybody that tries this, they're going to love it, aren't they?
They are.
I'll give it 5 stars.
Okay, I do too.
Okay.
So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted having a good, good time.